Alright, so you got the Maiden of the Eflite F4. Had some issues already. The BEC on the ESC was not working properly, so I had to put my own in, which is all good.
Takeoff flaps, landing flaps, flaps up.
And we're just going to go. So I have an extra battery in there with the BEC because I didn't have the soldering iron strong enough to do this kind of work out here. So let's go. All right.
Timer cleared.
Let's go. Here we go. Right, left, up, down. I already know that's right. Up, down.
Gear up.
Got a 5,000 in there. I think it's just a 40C. But it's already locked in. Looks good. The fan's not that bad.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Sounds really good. Yeah, fan could use a little balancing. The fan's a little out of balance, but I can fix that. Yeah, it's howling like crazy. I'll fix that. Looks pretty good though. I'm impressed with the performance. Flies like it has a gyro. It doesn't, but it flies like it does.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Lots of performance. This thing is super light for the motor it's got. Let's leave it on for full power for a little bit. Oh, that fan sounds bad. Needs some Gooniac treatment.
30 seconds.
It'll be faster when I get it balanced. Pretty good though. With the Firey Booty, it's gonna look good.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Let's try the flaps.
Landing flaps.
Ooh, perfect. Yeah, what they recommended. Well, I asked a couple people. What they recommended for flaps was almost right. It's a little dive, but I can fix that. I prefer a dive than a climb.
Gear down.
Yeah, I prefer holding it than pushing it down. So let's get it. Not bad. Kinda dig it.
Flaps up.
Thing rolls forever like the 18 though, sheesh. Alright, let's get that nose gear straight. I'm having to hold about almost full right rudder. Let's go fix that right now. All in all, good plane. The balance is bad, which is to be expected, but I can fix that. All good. Pretty good. Happy with it. Flew good. Alright.